I'm Aaron Sands, and I work here at Pace's Farm Eggs, and I work at this free range unit and do plenty of farm work activities to help along with the farm.
We are mainly egg producers, but we're also a general farm. We've got 450 breeding ewes and 400 acres of arable land. So Aaron first came here when he was 15 years old as a student weekend worker, helping look after the chickens. After 6 months, we had an opening for a full-time post, and we were really impressed with him. But he was lacking a bit in his agricultural kind of background and knowledge, because he wasn't from an agricultural background. So we asked if he wanted to do an apprenticeship at Reaseheath, and he went on and did that, and he's been doing that now for a few years, and we can really see that he's grown over the time he's been there. His skill set has come on. He's got a much better grasp of kind of broad agricultural kind of skills and knowledge base, but then also he's developed a lot in terms of specialising with the chickens, and we know that we can leave him to do blood tests, or we can leave him to do water analysis samples and manage the flock on a day-to-day basis as well, which has been really useful.
It's helped develop my confidence massively. People I know around me have noticed my confidence has grown. I used to be very shy beforehand, but now I feel like I'm able to do more things without being so nervous, and it's helped develop my confidence in that sense.
So Reaseheath has really helped broaden Aaron's skill base. He knows a lot more about general farming and maintenance of equipment and machinery. He's much more confident now, so we know that we can let him get on with jobs by himself, and that is a real lifesaver for us, because it means we can get on with running other things and doing other jobs as well.